There it goes. Did you see that? Tire just went. Oh man, the cab didn't get it yet, thankfully. Hopefully they get it out before it gets the cab. I just can't believe cars are still blasting through there, man. Here they come. Coming this way. Here they come. Whoa! Something just exploded. Tank went. Tank went. Here they come. Dangerous job for these guys. Whoa! You see that one? Here they come. Rescue 911. Here you go, boys. Let I move my truck. That's the driver standing there in the suspender. Oh, there's our guy from Pendel. I can see him from here. The fire chief from Pendel's out on the highway. There's another one. 2 trucks. There go 2. Township Fire Company, here they come. I got serious fire on their hands, man. I might want to get out of Dodge. I'm gonna get stuck on the shoulder. Whew, that sucker's burning now.